I'm Eric Gelling with TNA. I look after global sales of all our product range. Company has expanded a lot into other areas where it started off with packaging technology primarily. It grew gradually into feeding packaging systems, seasoning products, and also the processing of food products. So we offer full line solutions to the snack food industry, to the confectionery industry, and it's a very exciting time at TNA. It's very nice to be back after 6 years. It's my first interpack with TNA, but I worked in this industry now for over 30 years and I've been at many interpacks. It's probably the best show when it comes to processing and packaging technology for the industry. It's global. We find customers this week from all corners of the world, and it's very important to showcase our innovations at this show, as it has been 6 years ago. We have a lot, and we find very good conversations between customers and us, showcasing our latest innovations. The innovations that we have this week on our stand are numerous. So, for example, on the packaging equipment, we have recently introduced the new generation, the 3E version of our packaging machine. It has even higher speeds, but it is also more operator support. Makes the transition time from going from one packaging foil to the next without operator interference, which gives higher efficiency of the packaging system. When it comes to seasoning, we have introduced what we call the IF5 5.1, which is the latest generation, giving a better accuracy on seasoning consistency, smaller bandwidth of seasoning spread, and with that also innovations in our feed systems to packaging equipment with the row flow vertical horizontal motion and the row flow vibratory motion. Both of them have new innovations that give less cleaning effort, easier to operate, and a higher degree of flexibility. TNA is a global player, and we are very much aware of the industry's developments and the world's needs. When it comes to sustainability in our company, it touches on many topics. It is when we think about equipment efficiencies, it's of course less waste. When it comes to processing technology, it's using less energy. In the packaging equipment also, we have brought innovations that bring the energy consumption of the packaging equipment down without sacrificing any of the benefits. In the processing specifically, we go to innovations such as using green energy. Like, we find more and more customers interested in electrical heating systems using green energy, reducing their CO2 footprint. And sustainability goes further than that in TNA. It is truly a vision of the owners of our company to be inclusive, to have a company that works in every corner of the world, using the technologies so that the people in the different continents of the world where we supply our equipment benefit from it. Now, TNA also has a special program that is funded by TNA and is heavily supported by the owners of TNA, which is our Give Back to Society initiative. TNA is a strong believer of the fact that countries that are developing are best developed by giving education to the children. And when it comes to that, we support with projects, we support with yearly funds into, for example, the setting up of schools in the African continent. And that part of sustainability belongs to TNA as well.